This is a Tinker kit. When you open it, you have a brochure, a small brochure inside. So you have a Tinker with Electronics book, which gives all the circuits starting from simple LED lighting up to audio alarms, etc. All 22 circuits are there, which you can make with this kit. It's not very expensive. So also you can make some sensors. A list of components is given towards the end. The entire components are there in the kit, minus the 9-volt cell which you need to buy from outside. The color code of resistors is given, so you can easily identify the resistors in that. The kit contains various items, the breadboard, the speakers and all the connecting wires, various resistors, the capacitors, the transistors and diodes, the condenser mic and the buzzer, micro switches and battery clamp, few sensors, the LDR, IR transreceive pair, the thermistor, few ICs like the op amp 741 and IC555, the potentiometers, and of course the LEDs.